I take your point, but coming back to my question, which I repeat, what suddenly changed in 5 days? Because if what you're saying is true, then how would you give a statement on November 18th that everything is okay and I'm going to work towards strengthening the party? And within 5 days, you quit.
You have to come to Meghalaya, then I will show you the factors which are actually the factors which, when aggregated, then you understand. Not like this. I cannot tell you.
Sure, I take your point. But then why would you give a statement saying that you will work towards strengthening the party? And in 5 days, the scenario changes. That is my point.
No. What happens in Indian National Congress? You will have a meeting. You have seen the day when I have gone to meet the party leadership because they wanted to resolve issues. What has happened? After rounds and rounds of meeting, after sittings after sitting, even before I could meet the Honorable Congress President, the photo operation was done. It was in the Twitter and trying to show that okay, everything is fine, everything is resolved. Even before having a meeting with the Honorable Congress President. So this is what happens in this party, in Indian National Congress. You attend a party meeting, then you'll be asked, okay, you sign here. You sign here. Did you see me giving statement? Was it a statement coming from my, from the horse's mouth? No. So this is how the party operates. Okay. And even if I know that, okay, we need to take a bold decision, why will I tell them and then leave? That is how the political strategy has to be adopted. So why will I tell them, look, I'm going to leave, so I don't want to sign. So you sign it. You can't build this Indian National Congress under the present circumstances and take on the might of BJP with this kind of chalta hai attitude.
Mr. Sangma, please don't get upset with me, but I must ask that are you then saying that you signed the statement and why should you tell the party that you're leaving? I take your point, but isn't that kind of a backstabbing?
Precisely, yeah. So long you are there, you don't speak against, that's how it is.
Would you then agree that you backstabbed the Congress?
The Congress is backstabbing the hundreds of thousands of Congress karyakarta. Simple.